Companion planting is the practice of growing different plants closely together to benefit each other. This gardening technique has been used for centuries and is still popular with gardeners and farmers today. Companion planting involves strategically planting certain plants together. The main benefits of companion planting are that it helps improve the soil quality, deter pests, and encourages beneficial pollinating insects to your outdoor growing space. Companion planting also offers space-saving opportunities, allowing the gardener to plant more than one crop in the same space without compromising the aesthetic look of the garden. Certain plants have properties that can help improve soil fertility, such as legumes, which help to add nitrogen to the soil. Some plants, such as marigolds, can help to repel aphids and other garden pests. By using companion planting, you can maximize the space in your garden. Taller plants like sunflowers or corn can be planted at the back of the bed, and smaller plants such as lettuce or herbs planted in the front. The taller plants can protect the smaller plants from sun and wind damage. Companion planting can also help to promote pollination in the garden. With a diverse plant stock with different flowering times, you can attract a wide range of beneficial pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, to the garden. Beneficial pollinators can help improve the health of your plants and increase the yield of flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Companion planting also provides aesthetic benefits. By planting different varieties of plants together, you can create attractive displays. Some classic examples include planting tomatoes with basil and parsley, carrots with chives and lettuce, and corn with beans and squash. Companion planting is a great way to maximize the potential of your growing space, encourage beneficial pollinators, and improve the health and yield of your plants.